cryptocurrency community. Thank you for tuning in to another Zebra mining video. Today I will be doing something a little bit different and looking into my first ICO investment. Now before we get started, I have a disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only. If you plan on investing in an ICO, please do your own research and please invest at your own risk. So the ICO we'll be taking a look at is called Data Blockchain. The website is datablockchain.io. There will be a link in the description below. Data Blockchain is merging big data, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology to bring critical information to the world. That's their tagline on their website. We'll go down here. I just want to cover this first and second paragraph. DataBlockchain.io is a revolutionary data platform that stands to disrupt the way companies and individuals gather premium data. Our product will democratize data, making it more readily available and less expensive than the current methods of data gathering and vetting. The result is that clients can access specific data sets in a cost-effective and transparent way, collecting exactly what they need without paying for extraneous data. With the market for advertising reaching $591 billion in 2017 and $209 billion of it dedicated to digital advertising, the need for accurate data is only growing. Data is the backbone of the marketing boom, and DataBlockchain.io has the capability to be the category killer. So I'm going to jump over to their one-page white paper here. Their main objectives: empower data source providers to provide access to their data and monetize it. Provide full transparency, traceability, and auditability to the data providers. Build confidence between the end user and data sources. Give business and consumers quality verified data, and give end users a simplified, easy-to-use interface with quick payment system. So what does all that mean? Basically, information firms are massive companies that specialize in selling data to other corporations, things such as market analytics and customer testing. Data Blockchain is an ICO that's looking to break into this industry and change the way it operates through blockchain technology. In addition to the transparency that the blockchain technology offers, they're also proposing to use artificial intelligence to help source the data, making it a much more efficient process. So this solves a couple problems. First off, data is way too expensive. Data firms refuse to cooperate out of sheer mistrust, so the cost of their information is severely inflated. This puts a huge drain on buying companies' resources. So Data Blockchain has the goal of making their information available for a much more affordable price. And also, we just touched on the artificial intelligence, because since finding the pertinent information that companies need with humans is a really slow process, their use of artificial intelligence is very innovative. So those are the positives. Artificial intelligence could find data faster than ever. The blockchain creates transparency, and that all leads to the democratization of data. So instead of only the richest companies being able to afford this information, Data Blockchain hopes to make it accessible to smaller companies and even individuals. As excited as I am about this project, I would be doing you a disservice if I didn't cover the negatives. So the one thing that stands out to me is that this is a massive undertaking. While it looks incredibly promising, it's very ambitious. So you need to ask yourself, can they actually pull it off? And that's a question only time can tell. But before we jump into an ICO, we should do as much research as possible. So I would recommend jumping on the website, taking a look at the team. You can get profiles, and then I would recommend taking their names, Googling that further, and really digging into the leadership of this project to make sure you're comfortable that they can actually pull it off. With that said, I'm going to jump over to ICO Bench. Invest smarter with ICO Bench, ICO ratings from top investors and experts. This is a popular website that you can use to get deeper analysis on any ICOs that you're thinking about investing in. So I'm going to click on ICOs. Now, by default, they are sorted by start date here in this column. I am going to sort them, sorry about that, Time for an update. I'm going to sort them by ratings. And as you can see, Data Blockchain sits up top with a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. So if you jump in, you can get a breakdown on why they scored so high. 4.5 ICO profile, 5.0 on team. So it goes back to that question, can these guys pull it off? Well, it looks like, aside from my personal analysis, that some people in the industry think highly of these team members as well. The vision, as I said, it's ambitious. Very, very great idea. So they got a 5 on that, and the product 4.8. So as you can see, they rate it very highly across the board. Now you can also scroll down towards the bottom of the page. I like to use the ratings tab because it shows you who contributed to the ratings, what they thought about the project, gives you insight into what they liked or maybe what they didn't like. So it's another valuable tool for you to use. So yeah, datablockchain.io is definitely near the top of my list of ICOs to watch. I'm very excited to see how far they can take this thing. If you are interested in taking the next step, getting involved, keep an eye out for my next video. I'm going to cover details about their pre-sale, their token sale, and they're running a massive bounty campaign. So a lot of great details coming up. Keep an eye out for that video, and I'd also like to take a moment to thank you so much for showing your support, for watching this video. If you get a chance, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Happy investing.